Introducing the OneTouch Verio Flex meter with ColorSure technology. Setting up your meter. This video doesn't replace your owner's booklet. Before using the OneTouch Verio Flex meter to test your blood glucose, carefully read the owner's booklet and inserts that come with the components of the system. First, let's take a look at some of the features of your new OneTouch Verio Flex meter. This is the test strip port. Simply insert a test strip here to turn the meter on. The OK button also turns the meter on and off when held down, and you can navigate with the up and down buttons here. You'll find a micro USB data port here. And this is your display, showing you the time and date, and of course your blood glucose result with range indicator arrow. If you want, the OneTouch Verio Flex meter offers the ability to automatically send readings to your smartphone or tablet using Bluetooth Smart or via micro USB to your computer, so you can see your success on the go or at home. To learn more about the OneTouch Reveal mobile and web apps, visit OneTouch.com. First, let's turn on your OneTouch Verio Flex meter. You can do this by either inserting a test strip or holding down the OK button. When the startup test screen appears, you can release the OK button. If you see any missing segments within the startup screen, there may be a problem with the meter. Refer to the owner's booklet for the customer service number. Now you can set the time and date. Simply use the up and down buttons to select the correct time or date and confirm with the OK button. If you ever need to adjust the date or time again, simply hold the down arrow button and the OK button at the same time. The OneTouch Verio Flex meter uses ColorSure technology to automatically let you know if your current result is below, above, or within your range limits. Your result is displayed with a range indicator arrow pointing to a corresponding range indicator color bar below the meter display as a visual reminder. Use the range indicator arrow and color bar together to interpret your results. If your reading is below range, the range indicator arrow will point to the blue bar. If your reading is in range, the range indicator arrow will point to the green bar. And if your reading is high, the range indicator arrow will point to the red bar. The simple color range indicator can be easily customized according to your healthcare professional's recommendations. The preset low range limit is 70 milligrams per deciliter, and the preset high range limit is 180 milligrams per deciliter. Do not make immediate treatment decisions based on the range indicator feature. Treatment decisions should be based on the numerical result and healthcare professional recommendation, and not solely on where your result falls within your range limits. To edit the preset range limits, press and hold the up and down buttons at the same time. The set screen will appear with the current low range limit displayed, and the number and range indicator arrow will flash. To edit the preset low range limit, press the up or down buttons to change the value between 60 milligrams per deciliter and 110 milligrams per deciliter, and then press OK to save. Then, you can repeat this process to set your high range limit between 90 milligrams per deciliter and 300 milligrams per deciliter. When selecting or changing your range limits, you should consider factors such as your lifestyle and diabetes therapy. Never make significant changes to your diabetes care plan without consulting your healthcare professional. The OneTouch Verio Flex meter stores your most recent 500 blood glucose and control solution test results and displays them in the order the tests were taken. To enter history mode, when the meter is off, hold down the OK button. This symbol will indicate that you are reviewing your past results. Simply use the up and down buttons to scroll through your results. Want to know more? Call 1-888-567-3003 for English or 1-888-567-3010 for Spanish customer services, or visit www.onetouch.com. OneTouch,